Z is in Bell Buckle. Hello, Z. Welcome to the Murphy Show.
It wasn't Joseph Stalin that said that, show me a man and I'll show you a crime. It was the chief of the secret police under Joseph Stalin that said that. And then it wasn't Stalin himself. His name slips my tongue right now. I forget who he is, but it wasn't Stalin. But anyways, you were discussing the fact that if somebody could explain some of these crimes to you, you would give them fair time. And I'm willing to discuss the case as it relates to the documents and what the crime is.
Oh, wait, I'm sorry. I was looking up the name of the individual while you were talking, Z, and I missed that last part. I'm sorry. I lost my mind for a bit.
You were discussing that you would give people, the thrust of your discussion was you would give people equal time if they could explain what the crime was.
Yeah.
Okay. Donald Trump, I'm a vet, and the documents case is very near and dear to me, being a vet. They're top secret documents that Donald Trump, whether mistakenly or purposely, took to his residence in Mar-a-Lago. These were top secret. The FBI and I forget the other agency, requested them back. He did not give them back. Now, Hillary Clinton and Joe Biden supposedly gave them back immediately. They went around as it relates to these documents.
Hillary Clinton destroyed them. See, come on, man. Hillary Clinton destroyed her server. That's factual. That's beyond dispute. She destroyed her server. She literally cleaned it, and she had staff members who physically destroyed cell phone technology to prevent having to turn over that information to the feds. But I don't want to get stuck on that, but I just wanted to point it out.
And Donald Trump, when requested, after you said you would give me equal time.
Well, but let me just point something out, and then I'll get out of the way. I'll get out of the way and let you talk. Okay? You're talking about a different case. I'm referring to the New York case. None of this has anything to do with the New York case. I was referring to the case that he's currently on trial for, the criminal case that is currently ongoing in Manhattan. I defy you to tell me the crime that he's being accused of committed.
Okay. Donald Trump took a business expense and said it was a prostitute. He had sex with a porn star and said it was a business expense.
No, he didn't. No, he said it was illegal. He said it was a legal expense.
He said it was an expense. He took it, and having sex with a woman and claiming it as a business expense. That's
not what happened. That's not what any of that. That's not what happened. See, he hold on.
Sex with Stormy.
Okay, sure. He denies that, but let's state that as fact.
You said you would give me equal time.
I'm trying to, but I can't. What I can't do is you're misstating the case, and I'm just trying to correct you. But I'll get out of the way, Z. Go ahead.
Okay. He said he had sex with. There's an accusation of sex with Stormy Daniels. You get a third party involved to pay him off, so that it will not go to the public before the election. That's not legal. It's not a business.
Wait. So wait. What's not legal? Are you saying, Z? I just want to make sure I'm hearing you correctly. I'm not trying to interrupt you. You're saying that paying someone off to not speak about something is before an election is illegal?
No, I'm saying taking sex as a business expense is not legal in any business.
Nobody paid anybody. I don't know. Nobody paid anybody for sex. Z.
He paid $130,000.
He didn't pay $130,000 for sex. Stormy Daniels never said that he paid $130,000 for sex. He paid
$130,000.
Well, Z, I mean, can I help you? I mean, if you'll listen, I think I can help you. I can help you with the argument. I'm trying to help you. You want to listen?
Okay, go ahead and make your case.
No, I'm not making my case. I'm trying to make your case. He paid for silence. Not for sex. For silence.
That's not a business expense.
It was a legal expense.
That's not a business. Silence.
All right, you keep saying business expense, and I'm trying to correct you so that the next time maybe you make more sense. They cataloged it as a legal expense, not a business expense, a legal expense. And that matters. Under
the premise they had sex, they wanted to keep it quiet. I mean, that you can't. That's not a business expense.
You keep saying business expense. I want you to say these two words for me, Z. Legal expense.
It's not a legal expense.
Dude, it was cataloged as a... Z, you can't make up facts. Literally, the drop-down bar where they cataloged the 34 separate line items says legal expense.
It's not. You can't do that. It's like, okay, Donald Trump is now in trouble for $100 million that he took a double deduction. You can't do that in business. You can't double dip a single expense. You can't recategorize an expense and say it's a legal expense when it's a sexual pleasure.
Right. So he's not being charged with that, Z.
Not yet.
No. Listen. Okay, I'm gonna put Z on hold because I made a commitment to listen to the arguments for people who want to make the argument. So Z, I'm putting you on hold. I'm not hanging up on you. I'm going to give you one more shot at this to tell me what the underlying crime is that brought this case to trial. It's not the 34 charges of misreporting or miscataloging those expenses. That's not what the charge is. There has to be an underlying crime.